welcome back to another video. And today's video we will be talking about how you can make money online. 30 best ways we were talking about how to earn money online in Pakistan without any investment in 2022. And the next topic we have here is start teaching online. You make money through your passion for reading or teaching. How can you make money online based on what you think and what interests you? Online earning websites are ideal for those who are passionate for teaching and giving information through social media and other online platforms. When you make your own videos and people learn from them, you are a teacher. Udemy, YouTube, Facebook, and other social networking sites offer an easy way to teach thousands of students. Um, and next topic we have here is digital marketing. In other words, digital marketing revolves online marketing. Online marketing is a huge platform that enables people to make money in crores of rupees through digital marketing. In online marketing, if you have a product that you want to sell, the thing we use is something called digital marketing. Our goal is to bring customers through digital marketing as much as possible. The goal of digital marketing is to attract customers to your product so that they will buy it. Digital marketing includes commercial system or ads. For the digital marketing process, we utilize social media platforms and many online websites and platforms. As an example, we work with Facebook, Instagram, and Google to color our commercial ads. Article and the next topic we have is article writing. Making money online can be achieved by writing articles. Reading, writing, and learning new things are perfect skills for those in this field. The majority of people who make a lot of money from this hobby are those who are highly motivated and have the ability to work continuously. You are able to write to someone if God gives you the ability. People people who are passionate about writing know how to write a article very well. What are the important things to consider before writing an article? You can earn money online in Pakistan without investment from your hobby when you have complete information. Many online platforms allow you to sell your skills, including Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, etc. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.